What's up, adventurers? We are back with another room tour. This is a special one. It's a villa at the Constant Prince Maurice in Mauritius. Here we are enjoying breakfast in our robes, because why wouldn't we be in our robes? Now outside you have a full bathroom, shower, sink, toilet for guests if they want to use that. There's obviously this welcome area, and there's a little sneak peek of the bedroom. We'll be back there in a minute. Now the living room is a beautiful space. Esther's hanging out, reading some of the books that are out here, while I'm outside trying to spot some sharks and barracuda in the water. I did see some barracuda, which was pretty cool. Now this is one of two patios. This is one here. Esther's hanging out of the other one over there. That girl moves fast. Now back inside, there is a desk. I did bring my laptop. I had to back up photos, do a little bit of work, you know, there's a little bit of vacation, a little bit of work. And then we have the bedroom. Now this bed was super soft. Esther's enjoying it there. Here's where that other balcony space was that you have access to. It's all private just to this villa. Now let's head over to the bathroom. Now before getting there, there is a huge closet area with a lot of space to unpack your stuff. And in the bathroom, you have two sinks, one on each side. You have a bathtub, you have a shower, you have a toilet. And on top of that, if two showers isn't enough, let's have one more outside. Now just remember, wear sunblock so you don't end up like me.